Legal developments are capturing attention in the wrestling world, with Nick Hogan stepping into a legal battle, a controversial project looming, and a legacy at stake. As details emerge, questions arise. Will this lawsuit prevent a release, protect a family's rights, or reopen old wounds? The situation continues to unfold, drawing focus to the intersection of fame, legal boundaries, and personal history. According to recent reports, Nick Hogan, acting as a representative for his late father, Terry Bollia's estate, has filed a federal lawsuit against radio personality Todd Clem, known as Bubba the Love Sponge. The lawsuit, submitted in a Florida federal court, aims to block the release of a documentary titled Video Killed a Radio Star, the untold story of the Hulk Hogan sex tape scandal, which is scheduled for later this month. This legal move has sparked interest, as it pits family legacy against a project promising to revisit a decade-old situation, raising questions about its potential impact. The documentary, as outlined in the lawsuit, is alleged to use images and trademarks without authorization. Nick Hogan claims that Bubba has been promoting the film using his father's trademarks without proper permission, a violation that could undermine the estate's control over the iconic wrestler's image. Additionally, the suit asserts that the project includes unauthorized images from the original footage, with some reportedly featured in a recently released trailer. This detail has fueled speculation. Will the court view this as an intellectual property issue, or will it face challenges in proving intent? Further complicating the case, the lawsuit references a confidential settlement agreement from 2012 between Hulk Hogan and Bubba regarding the tape. Nick Hogan argues that releasing the documentary would violate this agreement, adding a layer of legal intrigue. The original issue involving the footage led to a landmark 2016 lawsuit where Hulk Hogan won a judgment against Gawker, a case that reshaped media liability. Now, Nick seeks an injunction to stop the documentary's release and unspecified damages, leaving observers wondering how this historical context will influence the current proceedings. The professional wrestling landscape provides additional context to this dispute. While the industry remains vibrant with high-profile events, this legal battle draws attention to offstage challenges. The Hogan family's struggle highlights personal stakes. Nick's role in managing his father's legacy, who passed away in July, mirrors efforts by other public figures to protect their narratives. A fan commented on a social media platform, "Nick Hogan fighting for his dad's legacy. Respect the move," reflecting mixed sentiments as the case develops. Hulk Hogan's career, spanning decades with a peak in the 1980s and 1990s, included multiple world championships and a cultural impact felt through entertainment and wrestling. The 2012 situation, involving the footage with Heather Clem, led to his Gawker victory, awarding over $140 million, though settled for a confidential amount. Nick's lawsuit continues this legacy battle. A fan posted, "Nick Hogan versus Bubba. Will this protect or tarnish Hulk's name?" The wrestling community debates the outcome's effect on Hogan's enduring image. The legal and emotional stakes are significant. The 2012 settlement, though confidential, suggests a prior resolution that may have been breached, with redacted details fueling curiosity. Reports indicate that Bubba has already responded to the lawsuit, claiming on a video platform that he is not the owner or creator of the film, and that Nick Hogan is suing the wrong person. The Gawker precedent, where Hogan's privacy claims prevailed, could bolster this suit, though challenges remain. A fan noted, "Nick Hogan's lawsuit, justice for Hulk or overreach?" This case could influence how estates manage posthumous legacies, keeping the industry on edge. Historical parallels add depth. The 1992 legal case involving Vince McMahon and the 2007 tragic events surrounding Chris Benoit each led to significant industry changes. This lawsuit could redefine intellectual property in wrestling. Fans see echoes of the entertainment world's chaotic publicity stunts, with the documentary risking a similar response. Nick's action aligns with efforts by families to safeguard legacies, potentially prompting companies to update trademark policies. A fan tweeted, "Nick Hogan's fight. Wrestling needs clearer rules." As the case progresses, the outcome may set a precedent, balancing fame's exploitation with personal rights, maintaining industry-wide interest.